Here we are, our 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet boat, unit number 11, for sale here on Norris Lake. This is powered by a Yamaha 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. Current engine hours on this one are around 120. This is 8.5 foot beam boat, 24 foot length. This front section that's outside of the gate is 46 inch in length. Of course, it's 8.5 foot wide. This larger front area has been very popular with the rentals. This boat has been in a rental program. It's been rented the one season. The renters, feedback from the renters is they all really liked them. Whether they were, when they were stationary, whether they were put a towel down there and laid out in the sun right there, or the kids were jumping in and out of water. But they liked having that larger space outside of the railing. And then another bonus is if you like to fish, that's privately owned now. It's not in a rental program. It'd be a great place if you wanted to mount a pair of fishing seats, or even if you wanted to attach a grill. Having it outside that gate is a nice feature. So anyway, we do have LED docking lights. The navigation lights and the docking lights have all been function tested here today. We've got the low maintenance vinyl flooring. You've got the plastic molded seat bases. Upholstery is all in good condition on this. We do have a pop-up changing room. That is what is right under here. This raises up, and there's a little snap right here. You unhook, and then that changing room folds up, and then of course that canvas will drop down. There's a little netting in there where that canvas is stowed right now. Now it's a little hard to do this one-handed operation. There's that snap back on there, and then that will fold back down into place. So this one's rated for 13. You've got 11 cup holders on board, 38-gallon fuel capacity, 25-inch diameter pontoons. There's storage underneath this driver console. This captain's chair does swivel. You've got dual armrest. You've got a Jensen AM/FM USB auxiliary input, Bluetooth stereo. Again, there's 2 speakers installed, 12-volt power outlet here to power those devices or your phones, docking lights, navigation lights. The horn does work on this one, and you've got a tachometer and a fuel gauge as well. Now there is a removable, that is the mount for removable lounge table. Should be in the center of the frame now. That table is not included. The other things that are not included is a mooring cover and a trailer. Now the trailer, we can get you a new trailer at our cost, or we can arrange to have the boat delivered to you. And of course, mooring cover you can purchase through a SunChaser dealer. Now I should point out here on the rear exit, there's a little bit of a gap here, and there is a screw that's a little bit out of place right there. So I believe once that gets tightened down, that will probably correct that gap in that gate closure there. 5-step swim boarding ladder, ski tow bar. Again, that's 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor. And then this would be the port side rear corner plate. Does need to be replaced. That is a common thread with the rental units in this rental fleet, is that a lot of those corner bumpers will be in need of replacement. So otherwise, I try to look really hard for any noticeable wear and tear whenever we list these, so that there's no surprises when you come to see one in person. And just a little bit of scratching. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but there's a little bit of scratching in that aluminum fencing or aluminum railing. Otherwise, these are in good condition. Just a 1-year rental use, fairly low hours. This is freshwater time on these, so this is basically very nicely discounted late model boat. With the vinyl on here and the vinyl flooring, this good grade vinyl seats, plastic seat bases, this Yamaha motor. This is a boat that will last someone a long time. And that's part of the reason why our rental fleets are actually really popular with buyers. There's a lot of value. Somebody looking for an entry-level pontoon boat, not wanting to spend a fortune, this is a great way to get started, get you in a late model boat. So contact us through our website to find the current asking price and to see which of the units are remaining in this rental fleet. They're all going to be listed there at www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button, scroll down, all these are in order of price. Scroll down till you see the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet. Click the link there. That's going to take you to a page that's going to show you exactly which units are left. And of course there'll be a link for a photo slideshow of each unit, so you can go in and look at each unit individually. There'll be a link to the video tour for each one as well. And again, contact us by text, by phone, by email through our site. If you get my voicemail, leave me a detailed message so that I'll know that you called, because I'm often in areas without cell phone reception. Leave a detailed message and I can have your questions answered when I return your call. Thank you again for joining us. That'll wrap things up here with the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet, unit number 11.